Have you ever wondered how to divide 17 camels among 3 sons? In a far-off desert village, there lived an old man with his trio of sons. His wealth? 17 camels. They were his livelihood, his source of income, rented out for transportation across the desert. But one day the old man passed away, leaving behind a will that would spark a mystery. The will was simple, yet complex. While he divided his property into 3 equal parts, the camels were a different story. The eldest son, he wrote, would inherit half of the 17 camels. The middle son would receive 1/3 and the youngest 1/9. But how could they possibly divide 17 camels in such a way? Days turned into weeks, and still the sons had no solution. How could they divide the camels without causing harm to the animals? It seemed an impossible task. And so they sought the wisdom of the village sage, a man known for his intelligence and problem-solving skills. With a thoughtful nod, the sage asked to see the camels. He then added his own camel to the mix, making 18 in total. Now, the eldest son could take his half, 9 camels. The middle son took his third, 6 camels, and the youngest took his 9th, 2 camels. In total, they had taken 17 camels. The 18th camel, the one lent by the wise man, was then returned. And just like that, the riddle was solved. The crux of the story? Every problem has a solution, if only we are willing to think outside the box. The wise man's intelligence shone through in his ability to find a common ground, to see beyond the limits of the problem at hand. So remember, when faced with what seems like an impossible task, sometimes all it takes is a little bit of creative thinking.